Making decisions can be difficult when everything feels important. Setting clear priorities helps simplify this process and leads to better choices. This video explains how to set priorities effectively to improve your decision-making skills. First, understand what priorities are. Priorities are the things that matter most to you. They guide your focus and actions. When you know your priorities, you can decide what needs your attention right now and what can wait. Step 1 is to list your tasks or options. Write down everything you need to decide or do. Seeing everything on paper or screen helps you get a full picture. This stops you from forgetting important things. Step 2 is to evaluate each task's importance and urgency. Ask yourself, is this urgent and is this important? Urgent tasks require immediate attention. Important tasks contribute to your long-term goals and values. Some tasks can be both urgent and important. Others may be neither. Step 3 is to rank your tasks. Start by focusing on tasks that are both urgent and important. These need your immediate effort. Next, give attention to important but not urgent tasks. These help you grow and prevent future problems. Then consider tasks that are urgent but not important. These may be distractions and can sometimes be delegated. Lastly, tasks that are neither urgent nor important can be removed or delayed. Step 4 is to set clear goals based on your priorities. When your goals reflect your priorities, your decisions become easier. You know what to say yes to and what to say no to. Step 5 is to review your priorities regularly. Priorities can change depending on your situation and goals. Take time each day or week to check if your priorities still make sense. Setting priorities also means learning to say no. Saying no to less important tasks frees up time for what truly matters. It improves your focus and reduces stress. In summary, setting priorities involves listing tasks, judging their urgency and importance, ranking them, setting goals, and reviewing regularly. This process helps you make clear, confident decisions. It guides your energy toward what matters most. Try these steps today. Notice how your decision-making improves and your stress decreases. Priorities help you take control and move forward with purpose.